Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Difference.
What does the dictionary say?
The state or relation of being different. Dissimilarity.
Math rap.
The difference is a value like no other. It shows you how one number differs from another, usually by subtracting one number from the next. The difference is a leftover effects.
Math rap.
If I pay a lease by e-transfer or pay monthly in cash for my apartment, there's no difference. That joke was a great example of difference. A horrible joke versus a funny joke. Explain difference in your own words. Do your friends have a different explanation? Make a T-chart and list the differences between summer and winter. List 5 differences between you and one of your closest friends. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!